the free-flowing beauty of Maria Cristina Bosch. And I'm very proud to represent my country from the country where strong people belong. Are you, SSIA, Russia, Ella,
Taking joy in living is a woman's best prosperity. Good evening, Fahrenheit. Good evening, Board of Judges. Good evening, my friends. My name is Cristina Cassandra Luguillet y Fontana, and I'm proud to represent the amazing beauty of Thailand. Thank you.
U.S. Virgin Islands.
Huwag nang maghanap sa kaliwa, sa kanan, sa likod niyo. Dahil nasa harapan nila ang Diyosa. Diyosa ng kagandahan. Natatahimik kayo? Natulala na ba kayo? Good evening, my name is Virginia Landis from United States of Virgin Islands.
Venezuela.
Hola, para la bamba, necesita una poca de gracia, para misa, ay arriba, apo kasere, bamba la bamba. Gets nyo? For sure hindi. Let's no score. Halabira, hala, bira na bira. Ladies and gentlemen, and in-betweens. Super full ang in-betweens. Now we're in front of you, a lady, a woman, and very much gay. A title holder, Miss Universe 2008, now aiming for Miss F Universe 2008. Ang Diyos ng mga kalakihan, the goddess of all goddesses. Mula sa lupa, sa tubig at sa lapaap, may nag-iisang Diyosa. At ako yon, Diana Mendoza! Sa bansang may natural na ganda at hindi nagmamaganda between Megawayan, Bulacan, and Monumento. Representante, Venezuela!
Magtanimay di biro, maghapon nakayuko. Pati gabi nakayuko, yuko. By the way, this is a recording. Makulay ang buhay kung ang lugaw may gulay. My name is Hopiam Mongo, and I'm very much proud to represent my country from the land when my parents dream, believe, and survive. Xin chào Vietnam! Bago ko po listanin ang apat na sulok ng entabladong ito, ako nga pala ang goddess, the goddess of the goddesses. Na nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang katagang, bakla man ako, so what? Bakla rin kayo.
Masaya ba kayo sa buhay nyo ngayon? Pues, kung hindi, bakit
Virgin Islands, may sipon. Magkakaroon ka ba niyan? Hindi, may bakuna ka eh. Si Miss Venezuela, may lagnat. Magkakaroon ka ba niyan? Hindi rin, may bakuna ka rin eh. At si Miss Vietnam, may ubo. Magkakaroon ka ba niyan? Talagang hindi, kababakuna mo lang kagabi. My name is Maria Manila Development Authority. Sa madaling salita ay MMDA. I'm 10 days during the date of registration. I am the goddess that you're looking for. I am the goddess of Mariang Palad. Ang sabi nga ni Bayani Fernando, kapag medyo guwapo, bading ganado. Walis tambo, walis tingting, walis taxi, Miss Wave!
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. They definitely got it. All our delegates possess that captivating charm. Kaya I'm sure you all agree with me when I say that they all deserve another round of applause. At syempre, dahil ang saya-saya ng crowd natin ngayong gabi at full pack tayo dito, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili. Yan. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 6th annual Miss F Universe. I am Christine Caballero, and in the coming couple of hours, I will be bringing you the ultra-exciting battle of beauty and wits right here at Miss F Universe 2008 Grand Coronation Night. Labanan ng mga Venuses ngayong gabi, nakikita niyo naman. So I will start with the announcement of the first set of special awards. Chosen by her fellow candidates as the friendliest among the group is... Congratulations, Miss Friendship, Miss Venezuela!
Mr. Humanity will receive 5 gift certificates that guarantee 3 members of Family Night a stud and trophy, which will be awarded by Miss F. Walker 2007 for Tuna Tobacco from Trinidad and Tobago.
Alright, congratulations! Fahrenheit members, you guys have voted for our next special award winner, and that is the Members' Choice Award. Our Members' Choice is Miss Guatemala.
Winning the Members' Choice Award will receive 5 gift certificates that guarantee 3 members of Fahrenheit a sash and trophy.